Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So we are going to look at another Intigriti 137 of CTF challenge. It's in the miscellaneous category, that is PyJail. So it's a very interesting challenge, and let's see the challenge file we have. This is the file, these are the blacklisted things, and it's just basically you can say that it's going to execute the code we are going to send, but we cannot use these things. Basically means we cannot inject any code, we cannot try to run anything, and while this is true, this is going to execute the code. So if I do this, then if I do 1 plus 1, it's no hacking because it's 1. If I do 1 into 1, it says no hacking because I cannot use any star or any character because of the, I think this is the ast.parse thing, but I can do this. Okay, I cannot do this as well. So basically this thing is of no use. So to solve this, what you can do is that you can Google escaping PyJail. I was just trying to see whether there is a similar challenge out there is not or not. You can see it here, and you can see this is one is for valid for I think Python 2. You can read it here how this is working and everything, but I will get skip to the direct solution. That is there is a thing called Python debugger, and for every running code I believe there is a special keyword reserved, that is the breakpoint thing for every code running, and when this thing is passed, the Python interpreter interprets this thing as a debugging statement, I believe. So when we pass this thing, the breakpoint keyword in any function, then it will spin up the Python debugger, that is the PDB. So let's run the code. Sorry, it was already running. And if I do breakpoint, see the PDB is returned. So when the PDB is returned, we can execute any Python code. So I can do this system. If I can type properly system, then I can do I don't know which shell is there, so I can do which sh. So basically it's going to find out where is the sh shell is there, and it's going to execute that command. The $sign means execute whatever the result is there. So we are now in the shell. If I do this is the shell, sorry, and if I do ls, then this is my overall system. So if I just do id minus u, and who am I, say this is the user, I am logged in. So I have successfully executed command inside this code, and now let's try this in the server as well. So let's connect there. This we have to nc it, then do the same thing, breakpoint, then import os, then os.system. You can do subprocess. I don't know subprocess will work or not. I'm just doing the same thing here again. Which sh, because sh comes default with most of the system. You can do also bash as well, but I'm not going to bother much. And if I do the root directory, here is the flag, and if I do just cat flag, and here is the flag. So that's it. It was pretty simple. So you just have to know this thing about the breakpoint thing about the Python debugger, and I think for every Python code program this thing is valid. So whatever the Python code is running, whenever the breakpoint is hit, the Python interpreter automatically spins up the Python debugger. So that's it. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.